Hello friends, good morning. Welcome the next illustration on journal in our subject financial accounting. I think you know very well the last illustration. Before start our presentation, please subscribe the channel, like the channel, and click on the bell icon and share this channel. So friends, start our second illustration. The first transaction, that is paid salary rupees 2000. Salary account debit. Why? Because salary is related to nominal account, and the rule of nominal account you know very well. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all gains and income. So the salaries and expenses, so it will be debited to cash account. Cash is related to real account, and rules of real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So credit what goes out, cash जा रही है, so credit will be credited. So entry will be salary account debit to cash account 2000 being salary paid. Then second transaction, received interest rupees 1000. Interest received, so cash account debit because amount received, cash received, and cash is related to real account, and you know very well the rules of real account. Debit what comes in, so applied here. Cash will be comes in the business, so cash account will be debited rupees 1000 to interest account. Interest is a gain of business, so here applied the rules of nominal account, and nominal account rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So interest is an income, so it will be credited. So entry will be cash account debit to interest account being interest received. Then third transaction, purchase furniture worth rupees 5000 from Asha for cash. आशा से फर्नीचर परचेस किया है, कितने का, 5000 रुपये का. सो फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट. फर्नीचर इज रिलेटेड टू रियल अकाउंट बिकॉज इट इज एन एसेट. सो रियल रूल, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. सो फर्नीचर आ रहा है, व्हाट कम्स इन टू कैश अकाउंट. Cash is also related to real account, so both transactions applied the real rule. So furniture account debit to cash account 5000 being furniture purchased. Then fourth transaction, household expenses paid by rupees 2000. So household expenses, it is a personal expenses, and in a personal expenses the amount will be transferred to drawing, and drawing is related to personal. So rule of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So debit the receiver, what is debit receiver, who is receiver, drawing is receiver. So drawing account debit to cash account. क्या जा रहा है बिजनेस से, कैश जा रही है. सो रूल अप्लाई फॉर रियल अकाउंट. सो रियल अकाउंट रूल इज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सो कैश इज गोज आउट, सो इट विल बी credited. Then fifth transactions, goods withdrawn for personal use rupees 8000. सेम ट्रांजेक्शन्स पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए गुड्स विथड्रॉन किया है, So it is drawing. So drawing is in a person. So rule of personal is debit the receiver. So drawing is debited, drawing account debit. To goods account, goods is related to real account, and real account rules say that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Goods business से जा रहा है, so to goods account 8,000. 6 transactions. Commence business with rupees 50,000. बिजनेस कमेंस किया है 50,000 रुपीज से. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 50,000 to capital account, 50,000 being cash brought as a capital. Cash is related to real rule says debit what comes in, cash आ रही है, so debited. Capital is related to personal rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. क्या आ रहा है बिजनेस में, कैपिटल आ रहा है, so credited it, so 50,000 will be credited. Then next transaction, sold goods to Kanchan of rupees 5,000. Kanchan account debit 4,000, sorry. Kanchan account debit 4,000 to goods account 4,000. Goods sold किया है कांचन को. So Kanchan is a person. So apply rule personal. Kanchan account will be debited as per rules of personal account. Debit the receiver, and goods account is related to real. So apply the rules. Goods account is credited as per rules of real account. So credit what goes out. So thank you friends. I think you know very well this all transactions. If any problem, please ask me on my email, that is sukeshdembre@gmail.com, and on my mobile number 9881480582. So thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.